Question number 86, which of the following seas are comparatively less saline because of influx of lot of rivers into it? Okay, so a lot of freshwater rivers are falling into that sea, so their salinity will decrease. And this is written in your class 11th geography NCERT, chapter 13, page number 7 and 8. Okay, these exact lines are written there, and answer will be Baltic Sea and Black Sea. Okay, compared to other rivers, other seas, these two has a lot of rivers flowing into sea. See, this is Baltic Sea. So here a lot of rivers are coming and falling, and here Black Sea, here also a lot of things are falling. Okay, in every sea obviously some will fall. Okay, in Mediterranean Sea you should know that even the biggest Nile river will come and fall. But compared to all, the Baltic and the Black Sea is considered less saline, and it's written in your NCERT textbook. Okay. And you can see other seas also, North Sea, Norwegian Sea, White Sea. Okay, you know the Black Sea, but White Sea many people don't know. Then Caspian Sea is there, Adriatic Sea is here, and here again Aegean Sea is there, and then the Ionian Sea is there. Okay, so this you should know. And again more maps will be there. If you see here, this is the oceans and sea. If you see, this is North Pacific and South Pacific. This is North Atlantic and South Atlantic. And Indian, this complete is Indian Ocean. And this is again North Pacific and South Pacific. Okay, so these are the oceans. And down, if you have this Southern Ocean, and top you have the Arctic Ocean. And then all these small seas. Again, this area is called Sargasso Sea. Okay, Sargasso Sea is the area here where a lot of warm current, cold current and all is there. That I will show you in another MCQ. And here Caribbean Sea near Mexico. Then here it is Red Sea, here we have Persian Gulf, here we have the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, and then South China Sea, and then this Dead Sea, Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea, Adriatic Sea. Okay, so this, when you keep seeing these images again and again, when any kind of question comes, you can easily solve it. So this